On My Strange Addictions. Today we have 42-year-old Jeremica Kasui, who is addicted to squishing squishies. Part 1.
Hi, I'm Jeremica Kasui, and I'm 42 years old and I'm addicted to squishing squishies.
What got your addiction started?
So it all started when my grandma, she passed away, and she worked at a mattress store, and I just got addicted by squishing those mattresses. So I bought a bunch of squishies so that I could squish more.
Is this all the squishies you have?
I rented a garage, like at an apartment place where my aunt lives, and I just put all my squishies in there. So these aren't all of them; these are just my favorites.
Can you estimate how many squishies you have?
I've counted before, maybe like from the ones that I've bought, maybe like 5,300.
Wow, that's a lot of squishies.
Yep. Today I'm going to be telling my sister a strange addiction. Wait, what should I say?
Is this going to be difficult for you?
Yeah, I'm kind of worried it might ruin our relationship, because we have a really good relationship, and I just don't want to ruin it.
Hi, I'm the therapist, Mrs. Robin, and today I'm going to help Jamaica with her squishy problem. I'm an expert at helping people with strange addictions. And today, Jamaica is going to tell her sister about her strange addiction. So today we are going to the park to meet Jeremica's sister, Caitlin. Right now, Jeremica is getting ready to meet her sister, Caitlin, and tell her about her addiction.
Do you know why you're meeting your sister today?
No, I don't.
How do you feel?
Kind of nervous. I feel like this is really important, but yeah.
So, you know how I carry around these squishies a lot, right?
Yeah.
Well, I actually have many of them that I like to squish.
How many?
5,300.
Wow, that's a lot.
How do you feel about this?
I don't really know. It really surprised me. I knew from the start she carried around squishies. I just thought she was sad that her grandmother died. I don't know. It's really crazy. Is there any way I can help you get rid of your addiction?
I don't know, maybe a therapist? Okay. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. How are you feeling now?
I didn't know she had this many, and I still think it's kind of crazy, but I definitely think she needs to go to a therapist. And go! How did you feel after that?
I feel like she really helped me now that I've got that off my chest. I'm glad that she's supporting me and being helpful.
Do you think you should go to a therapist?
Yeah, I think it will be really helpful to get me off my addiction, but, I don't know, maybe it will never stop. I mean, you never know.
Today, Jeremica is coming into my office. I'm going to be trying to help her to get rid of her addiction. Are you excited to go?
I mean, yeah, you could say that.
So what got you started with your
Um,
addiction?
my grandma.
Why did she get you addicted?
Well, my grandma passed away, and I wanted to go on with what she did because my parents passed away too, so I kind of lived with her. And I wanted to do what she did, which was sell mattresses. So I started squishing mattresses one day, and I enjoyed it. So I didn't want to like squish my mattress because that's weird. So I just got these squishies so then I can just squish them.
When do you have to squish a squishy?
Like every 2 minutes, I kind of have to do it because I don't know. Just makes me think of my grandma.
Go.
This one's my favorite because it makes me think of my grandma.
Why does that squishy make you think of your grandma?
Because of the resemblance.
Do you know what that will do to your future?
Maybe I'll get bullied. And maybe people will give me strange looks like that there's the girl with the squishies.
This can actually really affect your future with getting jobs and relationships. What do you feel about that?
I don't know. I guess I really do want to be in a relationship, so I don't know what I would do. I really enjoyed your help today. Do you think you will help me more?
Yes, I'm going to be with you this whole situation. Go.
That really helped, and I think that I will try to take your advice and end my addiction.
Go.
Today I am going to be throwing away some of my squishies, so this is going to be really hard. So, I love this one. So these.
Jamaica? Jamaica! I just saw Jamaica grab her squishy out of the garbage can. I don't think her addiction's gonna end. I'm sorry, Jamaica. I don't have any other choice. It's for her own good.
How do you feel about what you just did?
I think it's for the best. She's never gonna end her addiction.
We should probably pick up these ones.
Yeah.
Where are my squishies? Ugh! No! I can't believe she did this. I don't deserve this.
About what Caitlin just did.
I'm really mad at her. I can't believe she did this. I'm still not done with my addiction. But maybe I can lie about it. I found out a way I can trick her. So I'm just gonna take these, put it in here, and I'm gonna throw it away and she won't find out.
Go.
It's for my own good.
away for good. Wait a minute. Oh, what is this? This is unacceptable. I can't believe she did this. Where are her squishies? I have to find her squishies. Where are they? Oh. There's one.
Can't believe she hid that there.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. I can't believe she hid this there. She's crazy. Jamaica! Jamaica, come back here. That's right, run. Don't ever come back until your addiction is gone. Go. How do you feel that your sister kicked you out of the house?
I don't know. I just felt like she would be really helpful. And I guess she really didn't help me.
So what are you going to do now since you don't have a job or a house or a squishies? You just have squishies.
I don't know. Guess I just stay here. Guess we'll sleep here for the night.
No, you can't show your feet.
What are you doing so early in the morning?
Oh, I'm going to go find Jamaica and get her squishy addiction.
Doing so early in the morning.
I'm going to find Jamaica. She can't go that far, so I know I'm going to find her.
So are you worried about her?
No, I'm just going to find her squishies. I don't care about Jamaica. She was always the worst kid.
So are you the oldest of the family?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Jamaica,
There's another one over here. There's so many. This trail of Jamaica.
Yes, she's sleeping. I didn't grab her squishies. This one looks a lot like Grandma. I think that's all. Let's go. Ah! Again after that incident. We don't know what happened. Stay tuned for part 2 if we ever find Jamaica and Caitlin again.